Hello friends, today we'll see what is input function in Python, and in this tutorial we are going to use Python idle, that is inbuilt IDE of Python. Input function is used to take input from the user. This function is responsible for taking input from the user. Let's see how to take input from user. So here I am declaring a variable a, and I'm using input function with it, and above that I'm using print function just for the output formatting purpose. Print function is going to provide your name, and after I get the input from the input function, I'm concatenating it with the use of plus operator with my print statement. So here I'm providing the input as my name. We are concatenating the input string with the printf string. By default, in input function, whatever input we get is treated as a string. Now let us declare one more variable, and I am using int function to convert my input string into an integer, and I am trying to format my output through this statement, and I am printing my input string or input integer. As you can see here above, we have used a string input. So instead of printing a statement in the input function, you can also print it separately. Let us declare two more variables, variable C and variable D. Here we are also seeing the application of Len function. Now Len function will return the length of a particular string, and here we are trying to check the length of a string which is given as an input in the variable D. As you can see in the output that the name of the length given here is 6 because I gave space. So what I can do, I can remove that space and again check with the length function. So let's rerun it. So now you can see that the length is 5 and the integer which I provided is 4. In this tutorial we have seen the use of input function, int function, len function, and we have also seen how to take input. So here I have shown you number of ways how to use input statement in a different way. So here basically what we can do is we can use print if you want, and in case you don't want to use print statement, you can avoid use of print statement. So instead of that, what you can do, you can provide the string to be printed on screen in input function only.